In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable background apps from running on your computer, which is also going to improve performance and also help with your battery life. So the first way we are going to do this is by disabling the apps individually. And you can do this by heading over to the Start menu and searching for Settings. Then tap on the Settings icon, and we need to come over to Apps from the left-hand side here, inside of Installed Apps. Now, if you come down your list of installed apps and select these three little dots, you'll either have these two options to modify and uninstall, or in some apps, for instance, in the calculator, I know they have this, you'll have the options to come inside of Advanced Options. Now, if you do have this Advanced Options available, you can click inside of here, and underneath Background App Permissions, we can select to let this app run in the background and just make sure it's set to never, and then we can come back out of here. And if the app doesn't have these advanced settings, you can just assume that it's not running in the background. And that's the first method on how you can stop applications running in the background. Now, if you did want to just disable all background apps from running on your computer, then on Windows 10 there's an option to do this that's built into Windows. Unfortunately, there is no built-in option on Windows 11, but there is a way we can still do this. So to stop all apps from running in the background, we can come over to our Start menu and search for Regedit, and then click on the Registry Editor. And inside of here, we need to come down to HKey Local Machine, inside of the Software folder. Then come all the way down to a folder called Policies and expand this, inside of Microsoft, and then you should see a folder called Windows. Now in this Windows folder, we need to right-click on it and select New. And then we're going to press Key, and you need to give this folder the name App Privacy. Now make sure to have a capital A at the start and a capital P for the privacy, just like so, and hit Enter. Then we can click on this App Privacy folder. And we're going to right click in this white space here and come over to New, DWORD 32-bit value, and you need to give this the name Let Apps Run in Background. And once again, make sure you have capitalization for your words. So the start of each word should have a capital letter, and hit Enter. And then we can double click on this policy. And you need to change the value data from 0 to 2. If you're not sure what the name is, you can see it here a bit better. And then we just need to hit OK. And that's it, guys. By creating this policy, that's going to stop all background applications from running. If you do ever want to enable background applications again, then we can just come back inside of here, and we can change this value data from 2 to 0, and hit OK. And that's it, guys. That's how you stop background apps from running on your Windows computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe. Until next time.